Thai's kitchen. Okay, so this is my second cooking video, but first I would like to thank every one of you who gave me kind words and feedback on my first cooking video. Okay, it means a lot to me. But for anyone who hasn't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please do so. And if you like them, please share them. Okay, I will appreciate it. Okay, today I am going to show you how to make one of Thai popular dishes, and that is pàd-see-íw. Okay, pàd-see-íw is stir-fry noodles. The type of noodle that you will need is the big flat rice noodle, or we call it big noodle. But if you don't have this kind of noodle, you can substitute it with other kinds of noodle as well. Okay, are you ready? Let's have fun watching and cooking it then.